Hello guys, welcome back to my channel Golden Nanotech. Today I have a video. Now I'll show you how to connect the DMX cable or the mic male female cable. You can see this is for microphone and this is male cable, this female cable. How to connect? So here I have 3x3 cable for 5 meter 25 meters. So now I will connect this DMX cable 1 2 3 1 2 3 এবং here is the 1 2 3. So first I have to open this cable, and first I have to put inside this, and this cable have inside three wire. Okay, so first I insert this one, and this plastic also I put inside. Okay, and then here is the our connector, and now I have to remove this wire connection. Okay, and take this all the golden color wire. This is the ground, so make this all together. Okay, and then you see inside have some cotton and have two wire. It's red and white. Maybe it's different wire, different color. You have to remember this is the ground, so we need this three wire. Okay, and now we have to soldering this wire all and make the same size. Okay, now I will soldering this all the wire. Okay, you need a solder iron, so I have to make soldering this all. If you make solder, it will be more strong and is good for connection. So always the number one is ground. You have to remember the number one is ground, and another wire you have to connect with another port, no problem. So here is the one, is this one, 1 2 3. So we have to connect this one. The one is ground and this is for the plus, and here is another connection I have to connect. So first of all I have to connect the solder this port also. Okay, here is the first one is ground, so ground I connect with one port. Okay, and then the second one is red, so red I connect number 2. You have to remember red I have to connect with number 2. If you have another color, no problem, you can connect that. And the white I connect number 3. Okay guys, the white I connect with number 3. This is our connection is done. Maybe you can do connect also the ground with this port if you need. If no need, no problem. So it's almost done, so we have to put this inside. Okay, before we put inside, another side how we connect. So here is our male port already done. Here is female port, so I connect with female port. First I put inside this plastic, and this one also. This is very important cable guys. And now I cut the wire. Okay, also have inside 3 wire. Some cable maybe have 2 wire, so if you have 2 connection, you have to connect only the number 1 and number 2. Number 1 is ground, number 2 is plus. So I cut this extra part, and then now guys open this and soldering. Also soldering wire. And here is little bit cut and inside this, the wire inside here is different. So there was one is this side, and one was this side and two was this side. Now one is this side, two is there. So you can see the number here is 1. So you have to same connection. So now I will do some solder. So now I connect the first one is ground 1, number 1. You have to remember always ground number 1 and white for the number 3. So white here is the for number 3. I connect white, and at last I have to connect the red one is number 2. Okay, red one is number 2. It's almost done. Okay guys, see the connection. And now I return back this cable. How return back? Like this. And put inside and close this wire. And this is the China product, not original. Original is little bit good product. So now I will return back this one. You have to see wire is 2 part like this here. Okay, and close. So now ready our DMX and microphone male female cable. You can see guys, is done. So thank you guys watching my video. Have a nice day.